Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. Today we're diving into a different side of Cambodian life, ones that often overlooked. We'll explore the challenges faced by street vendors during the rainy season, even though it is December, but it still rains. Cambodia's rainy season is a breathtaking time. The country transforms into lush green paradise. However, this beauty comes with a price for many. For street vendors, the rainy season can be a real struggle. Their livelihoods depend on the foot traffic and favorable weather conditions. But when the skies open up, their businesses are often disrupted. The rain can damage their goods, especially perishable items. Strong winds can topple their makeshift stalls, and the constant exposure to wet and cold conditions can take a toll to their health. Street vendors are an integral part of Cambodian society. They provide affordable goods and services to millions of people. When their livelihoods are threatened, it impacts the entire community. As customers, we can make a difference by choosing to shop at street markets even during the rainy season. You can support these hardworking individuals. You can also spread awareness about their challenges through social media and word of mouth. The next time you're in Cambodia, take a moment to acknowledge the resilience of these street vendors. Their unwavering spirit is a testament to the human capacity to overcome adversity. The day begins early of our vendor. They wake up before dawn to prepare their goods and head to the market. The early morning rush is a crucial time to attract customers. As the market comes to life, our vendor is busy attending to customers, negotiating prices, ensuring that their products are appealing. It's a non-stop hustle, requiring quick thinking and sharp bargaining skills. Even I don't know how to bargain. As the sun begins to set, our vendor packs up their stall, tired but content. They'll rest, recharge, and prepare for another day of hard work. The lives of Cambodian street vendors are a testament to human resilience and the power of hard work. Let's appreciate their contributions to our communities and support their livelihoods. What are your experiences with street vendors in your country? Share your stories in the comments section down below, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe for more videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.